Welcome back, y'all. It's another one of the editions of the Locale Pop-Up, the place where you can find out about skate parks, skate spots, and anywhere else you can skateboard at. If you like what we're doing here, please hit that subscribe, hit that like, and let's continue on to find out about this other great spot. There's our Washington County Parks and Recreation Commission. And as always, we always appreciate everyone who always watches our videos. We sometimes like to put some tricks at the end, so stay tuned and enjoy. Over here at Ypsilanti Community Park, also known as Unity Park, sometimes called as Clark Park because it's on the road of Clark. This park was built here at Ypsilanti Township. It has been around for about a year or two now. This is also my home local park where I do a lot of my training and also teach kids how to skate. Let's get a tour of this place real quick, all right? Let's go. Got a little flat bar, ledge, mani pad ledge, cool hip, quarter pipe hip, slappy guy, texture, little slappy ledge, A-frame, needle nose, rails, bank, stairs, hubba, handrail, 6-set, Euro gap, quarter pipe in the back. It's a little path here for people who want to beginning, take down a hill, easy cruise lane. There it is from the top half. That's not all. We too have a bowl. We have a bowl here shaped as the water tower that we can get a picture of, I'm sure, and flash it for you. But it is the shape of our water tower here in Ypsilanti. It is a unique 6-foot and 8-foot bowl. Some benches for people to sit on. Lots of area for grass to retain the water, so we are definitely made to keep the water retention down. Lots of funding going on for that. And speaking of which, we have a beautiful garden down here. As you can see, there's quite a bit of different variety of things here being grown. I've actually had some of these beautiful Virginia strawberries. They grow here in the field like little raspberries, and they were delicious. Water comes out from over here into this water drainage, so it'll never flood. The place is not bad. It's got everything you probably much need to get something done, whether you be beginner, amateur, or professional. Lots of activity to get done here. Hopefully in the future, these areas might be also skatable out there as well. We're gonna work on in the future. So guys, check it out. If you guys come out here, check out Ypsilanti Community Park. It's a fun spot. Smooth, fast, fun, good runs, good lines, lots of activity.